Today, I will explain how to change the starter of the agent grinder. First, remove the back cover. We take the carbon brush out. Take out the other side in the same way. Take out the 4 separates from the head shell and the fuselage. Remove the wire connecting the starter and the switch. Unplug the white wire connected to the carbon brush holder. Remove the connecting wire between the starter and the power supply. Remove the 2 starter separates. Hammer the edge of the case. We can easily pull out the starter at this time. Okay, let's install the new starter now. Straighten the line first. Put in. Pull out the 4 wires. Here's the tail with rubber mallet. Install the 2 separates. Connect the white wire on both sides to the carbon brush holder. Connect the power cord and clamp the terminals. Install the switch. Arrange valves and put the exposite valves into the car slot. Install the windshield. Put the start ring. Install the 4 separates. Reinstall the carbon brushes. Install the back cover. Plug it in. Okay, let's do a test.